Hey, I'm CP and I'm the prototyping engineer at Misty Robotics. I wrote a security skill for Misty to detect when there's a stranger in my room. In this skill, I use the JavaScript SDK to start face detection and scan the room to look for strangers. Once I'm subscribed to Misty's face recognition event stream, I receive data whenever she detects a face in her field of view. The face rec data stream includes the position of the person's face and the name of the person if Misty already knows them. If Misty doesn't recognize someone, she sends a request to the if this then that API to trigger a Philips Hue light bulb to start blinking. Then Misty sends an SMS through Twilio to alert me to the presence of the intruder.
Hey, are you supposed to be here? Intruder. 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 You better leave now. I have already informed my master.
This skill uses Misty's 4K camera and API to take a picture of the person and save it locally. I also triggered a Raspberry Pi to run a script using Misty's REST API to print the image as a Polaroid. Our team has been working on Misty's video API recently, so I'm already thinking about how to incorporate video into this skill. Our releases come out pretty much monthly, so stay tuned on Video Capture soon.